Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making Chettinad style rasam. For this recipe, I have got all the ingredients listed in the description below. So now let's get into the cooking process. Let's start by washing the rice twice and soak it for 1 hour. Rinse and keep the water separately. In a pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, let's add mustard seeds and allow it to splatter. Toss in a teaspoon of jeera, 3 to 4 red chillies, few curry leaves, and 5 to 6 crushed garlic. Saute them on a low heat for a minute. Now let's add 2 chopped tomatoes. A pinch of salt. 1 teaspoon of hing and turmeric powder. Saute them well. Close the lid and allow the tomatoes to cook well till it's soft. Once the tomatoes are well cooked, let's add the tamarind extracted water. I have already soaked the tamarind in hot water for 20 minutes. Let it boil well. Now let's add the rice water. You can add water depending on your need and stir well. For this recipe, we will be adding only jeera and pepper powder. No need to make any special rasam powder for this. So I have added 2 teaspoons of jeera powder and pepper powder. You can also add rasam powder if you wish, but it's optional. Now check for the salt and adjust accordingly. Stir well. Keep the flame in low and close the lid. Let it boil well till you see a frothy layer on the top. Now let's garnish it with chopped coriander leaves and switch off the flame. Now our delicious rasam is ready to be served. We can have this like a soup also. It can also be served with steamed rice along with a vegetable dish. My favorite one is potato fry. Thank you guys for watching. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section below. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more updates and hit the notification bell. Until next time, happy cooking!